So dito tayo sa Abu Dhabi. Meron tayong another food event. So it's a music, parang Seoul DXB yung last na sinalian natin. So it's a music, food and arts event. Tama? Dance. Okay.
Fashion,
yeah.
fashion.
And then first time sila nag-invite ng Filipino concept, right? Yeah.
Well, 2 years pa lang naman si Bread.
Okay.
Co-produced by Hypebeast.
Co-produced by Hypebeast. Right. So lahat na nagpa-park dito ay feeling ko mga participants or mga vendors. Kasi it's a 5-day event and this is the first day. Yung team natin nandito na sila since Monday. So nag-prep sila for mga 3 days rin. And then yun nga, parang I guess big deal to. Big deal. Big deal in a sense na best of the best nandito. Very curated yung mga vendors dito. So yeah, silipin natin. Ang bago and lawak ng Abu Dhabi. Lipat kaya tayo dito sa Abu Dhabi. Are you sure this way? Ano mas gusto mo?
Ano? I mean, I like both. Both have their own different take on.
Uy, parang maganda rin to ah.
Maganda to. Kasi they really focused on
Uy,
the artists.
talagang magkatabi tayo ni Matar?
I met si Mami.
Oh, wow.
And then this, the one
With Marmalada. Uy, ang galing naman. Ang ganda. Hello. Ito yung kapitbahay natin. Sila Matar. May basketball na naman.
Nandiyan si Kobe.
Oo, yung idol natin. Uy, mga babae ngayon. Uy! Grabe naman tong structure na to. 3 floors for a 5-day event. Well, sulit naman. Oh, I like the colors. Ito yung si Marmalada. Uy, astig. Maganda to, babe. Wow. Look at that. Astig. Ayan o. Behind a truly... Beyond a truly amazing brand, mga kabayan. Galing. Tumatay yung playbo ko. Lupet na mga Pinoy. Nice. Thank you. Ito yung mga malupit na pizza dito sa Abu Dhabi. Yay! Ito daw yung pinakamasarap na pizza sa Middle East eh. Balita ko, ito daw eh. Ito yung dinadayo ng lahat. Yan. Hello. It's very light. It's very tasty. Crunchy also. And very airy, which I like. It's not heavy. I'm still processing the flavor. Medyo nangingibago pa ako. In a good way.
Chef, yung pizza doon namin more on higher percentage of water. So that's why it's more crispy and then light.
Parang nasa New York ka. Oh, this is amazing.
Hi guys.
Hey, I'll get some later.
Marmalada.
Pizza marmalada. Oh my god, it's so good.
Guys, pizza for the boys.
Ito, late. Sapat naman to.
Pistachio ba yan?
Pistachio, honey, spicy honey. Ito yung pepperoni. Ito muna kayo.
Masarap.
Pero feeling ko salty ito para sa
Ha?
Feeling ko salty ito para sa because
Oo?
of the parmesan.
Pero tingnan.
Pero okay siya. Sarap.
Thank you, Jim.
Wala nahulog. Hindi nahulog. Hindi nahulog. Meron po. Shout out Marmalata. Chef's kiss.
Ito tayo dito.
Natikman ko naman yun din.
Yung pepperoni, natikman nyo na?
Pepperoni tayo.
Dulo, hawakan.
Ay, nako. Neapolitan talaga. For the win. Ah. Yan lang. Oh.
Sabi, no? Iba, no? So yung pwesto natin, okay naman. Medyo corner lang tayo, pero katabi natin si Matar. So okay tayo. Tapos, Mitsumami's here, Lila, Taqueria is here. So Dubai's Finest is here. And pretty cool that we're there too.
Congratulations to our winners. We're looking for 2 more contestants.
Yeah.
We're giving out 2 shirts. Of course you can. Here we go. Anybody want to try the jumping competition? Here we go.
Jump!
What are we doing? We're going him right here. You want to do jumping or you want to do dribbling? Up to you. Jumping is pretty easy. If you get 3 2.8, you get an automatic shirt. Or you want to go for the top score and challenge yourself. Let's go to the jumping. All right. The jump. We gotta find out what product he uses because his hair is so rich. So, yes, you're right. Here we go. Man in Black is gonna help you out. Oh, they're going head to head. Okay. Here we go. Oh, Kuya dining. Hold on a second. I'm trying to get some food, man. I'm trying to get some food right now. All right, whenever you're ready. 3, 2, 1. High as you can. Ooh, okay. Hold on a second. You got some springs in your feet, my boy? What are you wearing right there? Hold on a second. It was flowing for a second. Okay, both got 2.8. We got to get 3 in a row. We might have to give it a curl here. 2, 1, let's go! And up he goes! Hanging on the actual machine. Announcing the winner shortly. Probably going to be at around 10 p.m. evening. We're giving out 2 pairs of shoes. If you're in the raffle, high chance of winning it. If you play the game, an even higher chance. Stick around the stall. Play as many games as you can. Person with the most.
Come on.
May konting tao na on the first day. And then, sobra akong na-flattered. Yan o, yung naka-gray. Yun yung tourism secretary ng Abu Dhabi. And kilala niya tayo or naririnig niya na ang kuya. Parang hindi na ako makatulog nito mamaya. Kukulitin ko na naman si Camille mamaya. Day 2 of the Bread Festival. And day 1, parang more lang like of warm up. Kita natin yung setup, kita natin yung layout. Though props to the team for doing an amazing job for setting up our booth. Kuwang-kuha na nila yung vibe, yung layout ng kitchen. The product was good. Parang I guess pag nasanay tayo sa mga events na to, parang gumagaling tayo or we become better. And yeah, props to everyone in the team. And yun, parang nakakataba ng puso na yung what the fuck? Ano ba? Make up your mind, buddy. Yeah, nakakataba ng puso na yung Director General ng Tourism of Abu Dhabi. Parang wala, nakita mo yung nung kinausap niya tayo, nandyan yung respeto, nandyan yung parang na-excite siya para sa atin, parang nagulat rin siya na masarap. And bilang isang kusinero, Pilipinong kusinero, parang, di ba? Sa lahat ng mga kusinero, yun, sa mga kusinero na na-meet ko kahapon, lahat kayo, ang lupit ninyo. Imagine, isa sa pinakamagaling na pizza place dito sa Middle East, 90% or 95% ng kitchen staff, Pinoy. Sinong gumagawa ng sobrang sarap na produkto na to? Pilipino. Ang galing natin, actually. Pag gustuhin natin. Pangdagdag lang sa ating vibe check. Kitify. Dito sila Carlos sasama sa atin. And yung daughters ni Carlos, si Cassie and si Ali. Girls, come on! Let's go! Yeah, come in. Wow, I'm getting goosebumps. This is day 3 of the event. Papatikim natin yung halo-halo natin sa kanila. Siguro siya. To cool you down. Oh my god. Hello. Yeah. I got 6 portions here. You're insane, man. But they can only share. Oh yeah. I'd say some home. Everyone. You're awesome. Don't share this one. I will not share this one. That's good. You're the best. Alright, enjoy. Kiss you. Thank you. Cheers, brother. No worries, bro. Thank you. This is great. 5th day of the event. Medyo wild mga bata. Yung understatement ba? Understatement. Rowdy. Yung demographics kasi dito medyo bata and well, lahat naman tayo dumaan dyan. Yun na lang. Yan, in-order nila yung beef empanada. Parang bulalo empanada. Tapos ito suki na namin. Palagi daw siya kumakain sa amin. Okay, kain na.
And attack!
Ito yung mga tropa natin, mga kabayan natin na matagal na dito sa Dubai. Mga artists, photographers, mga chefs. lahat ng mga kabayan natin na nagta-thrive dito sa Middle East. And yun, sa mga events na mga ganito, dito kami na kikita-kita, catch up, and then yun, salo-salo.
Hindi ka na agad bago pa ako.
And kita mo yung abilidad ng mga Pinoy talagang, di ba, nandyan talaga. We are on our last day and si Tito Mike has a visitor.
You can share. Okay. So this one, they have jelly, green and red. So we have sweet banana, caramelized jackfruit. Okay. So we have.
What's your favorite? Tell Tito Mike what's your favorite in Filipino thing to eat?
Puto.
Puto. Nani nila. What does she make you adobo?
Sometimes.
Do you like it? Have she's never taught you guys. She's never introduced halo halo to you guys.
No, but she stayed with us for 9 years.
Wow.
But she left like a couple months ago.
Aww. Are you guys?
She's been with me since I was 8 months old.
Wow. What's her name?
Lily.
Lily. Okay. Did she go home to the Philippines? Hey, careful guys, okay?
This is milk.
Why
Okay.
is it in
So we put milk.
Can I put milk?
Yeah.
Put it here.
That's ube.
Ube,
or
purple yam.
Purple yam.
Oh, put it here.
Okay.
Trust me, it's all about proportions.
Perfect. Here. Now it's water. Wow.
Now,
I see water.
is it time to give them the spoon?
And then
Then you'll have to mix it.
How do I mix it?
I'll teach you guys how to mix it. Okay. Pinalis na ni Mike.
did you guys make it?
Yeah.
All right, so Tito Carlo, do you want to teach the girls how to mix it, or do you think they can figure it out? There's a little bit of boba in there, yeah.
No, I don't think they need instructions. They already know.
Okay. Oh, wait. Make sure to dig deep, okay?
Yeah.
Dig deep. Yep.
That's okay. That's okay.
There's tissue here. Hold on.
Yeah, I guess go slow so that you don't make a mess. Are you guys enjoying your halo halo?
Look at my picture.
If you were to describe the halo halo, what would it be?
What? 100 at a time. No. 100 from 1, it'll be 10. 100 obviously. Oh, you just...
Scars Pizza in the Middle East.
Proper New York pizza.
It's New York.
Legit.
It's New York.
It smells like New York. Yum, yum, yum.
Go.
Sarap.
Bang crust, no? Last night, last push, 5th day, winding down, and yan o, tingnan mo. Sila Boss Beats sa feels like home, diba? And then ito rin, oh, ayan, kuya. Tapos yun, dun sa dulo, ito mga naka-blue na sombrero. Yan, kuya rin yan. 3rd day na nila kumain. Sila yung may owner ng lokal, isa sa pinaka-astig na cafe sa Abu Dhabi. And halos araw-araw sila kumakain dito sa amin. I guess ang takeaway ko dito ay kahit hindi ganun kadaming tao pumunta compared to our previous events, pero yung mga pumunta, yung mga tao sa industriya, sa F&B na nirespeto natin or nirespeto namin. And it's flattering na nagugustuhan nila yung pagkain natin. I mean, di ba, someone na nirespeto mo 3 beses kumakain, and then yun, kinikwento nila sa mga kasama nila na masarap daw yung Pilipino, masarap daw yung kuya. So, okay lang kahit na yung ating sales ay hindi ganun kalaki, pero yung community building, yun yung priceless, yun yung hindi masusukat, yun yung hindi ma-quantify. Kumbaga sa negosyo, yung ROI, di ba hinahanap po palagi yung ROI, yung balik ng pera. Pero minsan yung balik ng pera ay hindi pera eh. Minsan yung balik niya ay, yun nga, relationship, community building, respect sa isa't isa. Kasi kung meron kang all of the above, susunod yung pera. Yan.